Night's grasping brought direction of heights and grapes in bunch on vine and breaking. My all gift of spoken you are brought and altruistic. Thou an air opt like brash and crash of horn and snare alike. Needle popping and groove worn, thee an aura up as whisper and crush of leaves. Cozen and cozen, a fall about believes I thou has. What is it with these things that sleep and roam with me? Pull me from the day into the night of blind sinking. The bottle is a thirsty soul, its hips and shape undressing. My eyes watch the line dipping down to the end. My sight seizes the fluid level, filled to the brim again. Who are the ghosts that speak through me?
When the light appears, boy, when the light appears.
What up there?